Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing.
I got mad.
Yeah, we're so happy.
I forced you. Okay.
So happy.
Where are you? I'll teleport to you.
Okay.
Oh! You're in mid-space.
Oh my god. Oh. Okay.
Why are you in mid-space?
No, I was exiting my door once you teleported to me.
Oh, that's why. Your house is so small.
They're small.
Like, you're small. Look how tall I am compared to you. You have unicorn walls. Let's go to my house. My house is bigger than yours.
Hey, you're small.
No, you're small.
No, you're small.
No, you're small.
No, you're small.
You're smaller.
No, you're smaller.
You're smaller.
Oh, my game glitching.
Ooh, I got 20 bucks. You want a present? Can I please?
Okay, finally, there you go.
I really want that money rattle. He got a money rattle and he hates it, and I really, really want it.
Well, too bad.
He's not
It's
giving
my
to
money
me.
rattle. Haha. How do you like this all over your face? Huh? Too bad.
You're
Suck it
so
up.
mean.
Ha,
You don't even
ha.
want it, and I want it, and you're not giving it to me.
Yeah, because you want it.
I don't want it.
Too bad. You already said you wanted it.
No, I don't.
Liar.
No. No, I do not. Yes. What do you want for it? What? You're so evil!
Haha.
Please. Pleasure.
No.
Pleasure.
No.
You're
No.
so mean to me.
Why would I give to you?
Because I really want it. I really, really want it.
I want a lot of
But
stuff.
I'm not giving you a present then.
What present is it?
I'm not telling you.
Okay.
You don't get it because you don't deserve it.
I don't care.
Sia deserves it.
Because I'm gonna get a new car.
Wait, what? How do you have that much money?
I almost have enough
How much is
for
it?
a new car. I'm not gonna tell you. Since you're gonna buy it.
I'm not going to buy it. You only have 300.
I'm still gonna buy a new car.
That dude has the same hair as you. Oop, 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 oop. How much is this? Wow! How much is it?
It's cheap.
I want the money tree! If you give me all your money, I'll give you
How do I give you money?
I don't know.
No.
I'll
If
give
you give me
this
money,
for the money tree. I'll give you a marshmallow.
No. Give me money for the money tree.
I don't know how to give you money.
Well then suck it up.
You're so evil. You know what? If I get it in this big gift, then I'm gonna rub it in your face. I got another donut round.
Ha 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 ha.
You're so mean. Please, dude. I'll do anything.
Anything?
Yes. Other than give
Buy
you
me a
money.
new car.
I don't have that much money.
Fine, buy me a guitar.
Fine.
Buy me a guitar.
Wait a minute. How? I don't have enough money for it.
Well then save up.
For guitar?
Exactly.
Ah!
I don't know what I'm doing. Doggy.
Anything that doesn't cost money.
Well then nothing.
Ah! Why not? Linda. I really want
Haha.
it. Comment down below if you want the money tree rattle.
Yeah, you can brush it.
I did.
What the
Ooh, I
flip?
I'm riding on the unicorn thingy magic.
Give me a writing thing and I'll give you the
A rare?
No, the writing drink.
What
So I can
writing?
ride my doggy.
What writing thing?
You know the potion to if you ride your
That's Robux.
Yeah, give me that and yeah.
No. I don't got no Robux. I'm poor.
I'm gonna have you soon. Don't worry.
Christopher!
Okay, finally, you're thirsty. So you're trying to get some more money. Gotta get so much money. We hard work. Here, doggy. Feed. Drink.
I adopted a child.
You
Where are
adopted
you?
a child?
Yes. But she's brown hair and a mask, and she has a curly face. Well, no, it's a normal face. Can I get one of your pets, Mom? Sorry. Sorry, no. Yes, you could join our family. You could join the family. She was just crying because I didn't let her have one of my pets. Jeez, girl. I ain't giving you any of my pets. My pets are beautiful. I love them.
I want to ride your pet.
Try it. How do you do it?
I can't get on your pet.
Ooh, I can ride it. Haha, I'm the only rider.
You just ran over my dog?
Oh, she got a bunny. She got a rabbit. She's a big old rabbit.
Excuse me?
It's not big. It's different because mine is a bunny. A bunny and a rabbit are way different.
I think I have the oldest dog here. The oldest animal here, actually.
Oh, bunny and a rabbit look way different. Have you looked at them?
Wait, this is a bunny? Yes.
Yeah. What did you want?
I don't know.
Do you want that? What do you want that?
You have Snowball.
She doesn't. She's not.
Hello.
Unicorn.
Can you give me free money? Free money, anybody? Free money. Yes, I'm hungry. Lydia, give me food. Wait, I know a perfect place to get free food. I gotta get that place. It's the best store ever. And they also have a camping site there where I can sleep. Just perfect. Come on, gotta get there. Once I get this money, I'm gonna have so much money. And then I'm gonna spend it all on this. Oh, lag. I've experienced a lot of lag. I don't need that.
Christopher, come here.
No,
I'll give you a money tree for a bomb vehicle.
I'll take it.
A bomb thingy.
I'm at the campsite because I need to sleep.
A bomb stroller. I don't know. It's really weird. The bomb stroller.
Oh, I want that. I'll trade. Gotta get this money. Ugh.
Bombs away! Oh, I also have a banana stroller I can put in your face too. Haha. I got a banana stroller too. Ha! I also got a banana stroller. Ha ha ha. Now where are you?
I'm at the campsite.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, we gotta end the video right now. Don't ask
Sadly.
why. We just got to. It's a bit of shorter video, but
Yeah.
oh yeah. We also forgot, but another shout out to our dad from the last video also because he's in Europe right now. I think I don't know.
Belgium.
Okay, whatever. Okay. Bye guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe, and whatever.
Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah.